Hi everyone, very good morning. Now time is exactly 4:15 and I am starting to temple. It's around 70 kilometers, but the round trip will be 256 kilometers. So I will be trying to cover 2 temples. I was thinking to go for 2 temples. So anyhow you will be on the bike now. So let's start the ride, okay? From our room we have a temple beside our room. I came here. Now I will start from here. Om Namah Shivaya. When it's completely dark now, I will also put my auxiliary lights. I didn't show you right in the previous videos. My friends asked me previously why I am not making videos regularly, because I am not going out, right? I am going to office in the meanwhile. I don't have that much time to go out also. This is inside the town, Tatipatri. Recently I went for service to Anandapuram. So I asked him if there is any firmware update for the ECU unit. So he said that it is available now and he have done that firmware update. And from then the exhaust sound was completely different. Like it was quite hard now. So this road is directly connected to Nandyala and it's quite dangerous, guys. The lorry drivers comes very rash. So my ride is up to Yagandi, Shri Umamaheshwara Swami temple. Shiva Parvati gods will be there. From then, if everything is okay, favorable to me, I was planning to go to Mahanandi as well, from there to Mahanandi. On these roads now we have to drive very carefully with the utmost concentration on the roads as well the vehicles which is coming by. So I will on my auxiliary lights. 3, 2, 1 and go. You can see the difference, right? If I off the if I off the auxiliary light, see the intensity of the original headlight. If I on it now, see the intensity of light. So you can go with a bit more confidence. So you can observe the roads, right? It is small, and we are having a very tight turns here. So just now I crossed 20 kilometers of road, which was completely, it's like a hairpin, and the trucks were coming on the opposite side. Definitely you have to defer when you are having a turning on the road if any opposite vehicle is coming. You have to horn them. It's early in the morning, right? If the drivers were driving from late nights, so you have to horn them continually until unless you cross them. Now the time is 5:30. We have to go 31 kilometers more to reach our destination, reach our first point of destination. It's not a point, it's a milestone, guys. Oh yeah, first milestone. In my childhood, at the times of festival, my mom used to take me to my grandmother's home. Early in the morning, my grandfather used to make a campfire there, like me, my sister, my brothers. We used to stand around that, and those moments are very precious now. Like, we don't get those times again and again. Like, that's it. If you cross above 55 or 60, you will be sitting aside and memorizing those valuable memories. Nowadays the children were playing with phones, so they are using mobiles, iPads, tab. See, I can't tell, I should not make them use, but it's not good for them in a scientific way. Infanteries used to have a very sensitive skin, and that is the time where the cells and organs were developing. If you make them to be in a home and like touch always the phone and look into the phone, they loses their capabilities. It's like a self-healing. How our wounds heal selfly, the brain used to develop itself as same as that. And if we give them those things, they will be addicting with those mobiles and tabs. Let them play in the sand, the muscles, the palm, whatever the sensible nerves present in our hands, legs, that should become strong. We have to encourage children to play. Now time is 6:15. We reached to temple premises. I will just show you. This is the condition of bike now. See the surrounding. I just reached the temple premises. Chanting is happening just 500 meters away from the temple. There is the gate. From there we have to go left side. Let's go there and I will be recording. Battery is very less. Just I will record. Inside the temple I don't know whether there is they are allowing camera or not. I will see if they are allowing. I will take some footages there as well. The topmost you can see that rocks now. It's like the pillars. Okay, let's go. Darshan was done. Now I am starting to Mahanandi. Mahanandi is around 72 kilometers from Yaganti. It was dark when I arrived here, right? So I couldn't see these things. It's nice, by the way. Our ancient people were there, so many of them. Our ancients, మన పూర్వీకులు ఎక్కడ కూడా ఉన్నారు. Also here. The roads near banks of river Godavari will be same as this, like covered with trees, both the sides. To be honest, my plans were different. I thought of should we go again to Penikonda or else Gandikota, because I went there before bringing this camp. I went to both the places. Like I posted in my Instagram. Right? You have to be careful when you are driving on the village roads. At this time, the children will come on the roads to, like, they will be going to schools, right? This is the time. So drive careful. The sound it creates now. Look. I think so you guys can hear the sound as well. That's awesome. Sai Baba. Om Sai Ram. So I came from here itself, like from the you can see the statue, right? Turning. From that turning I took left to Yaganti. So just we have to go straight. I was hoping that I will be reaching there at 9:30. Let's see. This is the road what I told. I took left from here. When I go home, I used to go from here itself. Like I start from Tadpatri. The train comes on this line only. It will reach to Nandyala. Night 11 o'clock, it will come to Nandyala. From Nandyala, it will go to Vijayawada. Once in a while, we have to come out. Agricultural lands. Geddaluru 45. In this way only we have to go to Rajahmundry also. Like if you go to Guntur, it was 250 kilometers from here. Yeah. 240 kilometers from here to Guntur. From Guntur to Vijayawada, it will be 40 more kilometers. From Vijayawada to Rajahmundry, it will be 162 kilometers. Eight kilometers more. We are almost here. Yes, we are almost here. So they are drying up this corn. Mokkojonna. 6 kilometers more. Hello. బండి కొంచెం నల్లగా. So I watched Bahubali the Epic yesterday. It was nice. And that cartoon, whatever the 3D animation movie they are going to do, that was good. That teaser cut, I guess they played in interval, so that's nice. On the video of interview I have seen that Rajamouli sir is quoting so the budget of that animated movie is 120 crore, it seems. 120 crore for an animated movie. That's nice, yeah. See these lakes. I have crossed two. I didn't capture those, so luckily one is here. ఫోన్ చేతిలో పెట్టుకొని హెల్మెట్ లేకుండా ఆ బుల్లెట్ మీద వెళ్ళినాడైతే ఆడు ఇంకా అసలు కళ్ళు కూడా కనిపించట్లేదు, మరీ తెరుచుకుని పోతున్నాడు. మారండి అన్న, మారండి. అట్లీస్ట్ మీ ఫ్యామిలీస్ కోసమైనా హెల్మెట్ పెట్టుకోండి. మహానందేశ్వర స్వామివారి దేవస్థానము. This is the Mukhadwaram, I guess, for temple. Where I have to park my bike. Searching for that. ఎక్కడ బండి కూడా పెట్టేయచ్చుగా సార్? అదే ఉందిగా, క్లాక్ రూమ్స్ ఉన్నాయిగా. ఓకే. So he says that there is a clock room available inside the temple. I'm waiting for my fan. When it runs off, then I have to switch off the vehicle.
Guruve Sharanam ప్రదోష శివనాయన్మా శరణం గురువే శరణం ఆ శరణం பாலினை தூட்டும் ஊனினை உருக்கி பாவியனுடைய ஊனின் பாலினை தூட்டும் தாயினும் சாலம் பரிந்து நீ
I said in the morning that I crossed a water bridge, so this is the one. Last week there is suspension is awesome on this bike. I didn't feel any jerk. It's butter smooth. My dream of purchasing a bike was started when I was studying post-graduation. One of my friend have a bike. One of my friend have a bike that was Interceptor 650. He also have Bullet. He do have 2 cars as well. After completing post-graduation, we friends have gifted ourselves with beautiful bikes. This is a bike that which I gifted to me. One of my friend took Husqvarna and the other took Royal Enfield Meteors 350, and others also like 2 other took Himalayan and Aprilia. We didn't meet, we didn't give a commute ride. I just want to plan, like, if everyone is okay with their dates, if they are having leave, if they are leisure on any day and interested to ride with the gang, then we have to go. That will be awesome, right? If your friends gathered and take a bike and go on the countryside roads for a ride, that will be good. And also after completing post-graduation, I got a job in some company. In that very few people were connected to my mind, and they are like my brothers. So one guy took speed 400. He is the first one after launching this Triumph 400 series. He is the guy took 400 speed. Initially he thought of purchasing Royal Enfield, but I made him to buy Speed 400. He was also interested in this bike. It's not like that I pushed him to buy this. He also interested in this bike. got speed 400 and he started traveling there and here. There used to be only single road. Now you can see now the construction is going on here. The second road also they were making. They are extending this because of to decrease the accidents mainly. There is only single lane which it's impossible to go for lorries and trucks. If one lorry is going, the other lorry from the other end should stop there and give way to this lorry. So that is the way. That is the only way. So that's why they started extending this road. Till here, till this signboards na, there used to be mountain. They drilled it. From this we can go inside. There is a town, it seems. We can go there. Like there no need of taking any sort of permissions to get enter inside that. One day I will go. I will try. Here in Tadpatri also I make friends. Not two. There was a gang actually. In that at least 4 people I met. They were good. In this gang also one person is having speed 400 white color. The other is having Royal Enfield Classic 350. But they are not interested in riding. Whenever I say that we will go outside like for tour or anything else na, they will tell that you're right, we will go in car. I will ask them that we will go on bikes, it will be fun. They will deny that. They say some other reasons. Okay. When someone is making turns na, just see on your mirror, bro. Like it's a basic thing. Give signal. See on mirror. If anyone is coming na, just slow down. Those things are applicable in our life. We will have a bridge here. If we cross that, there are 2 bridges. If we cross the 2, then the game wow. Hey, we already crossed one bridge, I guess. This is the only one. So this is Penna River Bridge. There is no water. So we covered Tadpatri to Yaganti, that was 72 kilometers. From Yaganti to Mahanandi, it is also around 70, and from Mahanandi to Tadpatri, 112. Totally approx it reached 260 or 50. So today's trip is 260 kilometers long. Now the time is 1:05 p.m. Google showed me I will be reaching here at 1:20. Even though I have taken breaks, I reached fast. Home sweet home.